Hi, are you planning to boost your productivity by many folds? Yes. Welcome to Amazon Q, one of the most powerful generative AI assistant out there. This is a multi-part series where we will deep dive into how Amazon Q works. Let's get started.
Amazon Q is a generative AI assistant that transforms how work gets done in your organization. Amazon Q is an interactive, generative, artificial intelligence powered assistant that can be tailored to your business, data, code, and operations. Amazon Q elevates your productivity and unlock new possibilities and operates as your personalized AI companion with specialized capabilities for software developers, business intelligence analysts, contact center employees, supply chain analysts, and anyone building with AWS. Amazon Q helps every employee get insights on their data and accelerate their tasks. Amazon Q seamlessly integrates with companies' information repositories, code base, and operational systems. This enables it to engage in contextualized conversations, provide insightful solutions, and complete actions relevant to your organization. Leveraging Amazon Q's advanced agentic capabilities, companies can streamline processes, get to decisions faster, and help employees be more productive. Amazon Q is an industry leading enterprise AI solution customized for your organization. Amazon Q was purpose built to help you and your teams be more effective, productive, and creative at work. Amazon Q Developer has the highest reported code acceptance rates of 50%, any coding assistant that suggests multi line code. Amazon Q Business has more than 50 built in, managed, and secure data connectors, making generative AI securely accessible. Amazon Q Business outperforms all published results from other assistants on correctness, truthfulness, and helpfulness for general Q&A. Amazon Q transformation capability is the first generative AI-powered assistant for transforming .NET, mainframe, VMware, and Java workloads. Amazon Q in QuickSight's scenario capability empowers every employee to perform complex analysis up to 10x faster than spreadsheets. Amazon Q saved more than 45,000 hours from manual technical investigations. Amazon Q is built to meet the most stringent enterprise data security requirements. It understands and respects identities, roles, and permissions, ensuring personalized interactions based on user access levels. If a user is not permitted to access certain data without Amazon Q, they cannot access it using Amazon Q either. Administrative controls apply guardrails allowing you to customize authorization. Plus, it is built with security and privacy in mind to meet the most stringent enterprise needs. Administrative controls help apply guardrails to customize and control responses. When you sign up for a paid Amazon Q plan, that is Amazon Q Developer Pro or Amazon Q Business Plan, it don't use content to improve underlying models for others. Amazon Q ensures that your data remains your differentiator and you are always in control. Customers use Amazon Q to complete tasks faster, increase productivity, and minimize repetitive actions with a 50% code suggestion acceptance rate. Customers use Amazon Q to automatically analyze metrics, logs, and operational events across their systems, enabling them to diagnose most issues in under 20 minutes and up to 50% faster. Customers use Amazon Q to improve patient outcomes by making health data more accessible to decision makers and caregivers through Q's natural language interface. Customers use Amazon Q to help its engineers retrieve information for daily tasks, providing access to over 1,700 policies, manufacturing specifications, and troubleshooting documents in various languages. Customers use Amazon Q to boost software developer productivity, automating 12% of the previously manual time consuming work. Using Amazon Q, customers realized further value from their cloud data hub, an AWS powered data platform that serves 60,000 business users, spans 10 petabytes of data, and has unlocked 1.9 billion euro in business value